Guys, let us just go to the supermarket and grab some foodstuff and then prepare your, recipes. Guys, supermarket is unsold. They are doing promotion, so we really want to go there to grab some kind of stuff. Guys, have you ever, waited till the promotion season or period before you could rush and grab something? Because it's very, very interesting and good to us, especially we immigrants. We all needed cheaper stuff, so whenever promotion goes on, we don't hesitate not to go there. So I'm currently in supermarket. Guys, during promotion period, only what they do is to reduce the prices of the goods in order to appreciate their customer. So that's the means of them appreciating their customers, for coming to patronize them all the time. So when we hear that, we don't even wait, we just rush to make sure we pick things. So the things they usually say 20 euros might come down to 10 euros. That's good of promotion. So those things you buy 20 euro, you can still buy them 20 euro. Do you see the difference? So the difference is huge. So that's why we don't wait whenever we hear that promo goes on. So I'm in supermarket trying to pick some things. Guys, let me know how your area goes in terms of, when supermarket goes on doing their promotion. Do you usually be among first to rush? Okay, so I'm back home now. I really want to prepare the few things I bought from the supermarket. So what are we baking? Guys, this is unripe plantain cooked. Unripe plantain cooked with fish. Some people don't know the good of cooking unripe plantain because this comes with iron, guys, and eating the ripe one always, because it comes with natural sugar. So sometimes we refuses not to eat the ripe, neither we will go for the unripe. Why? Because I think it's more healthier than this. So guys, let's go straight into that. So I'm gonna step by step show you how to go about cooking this unripe plantain. This is an easy recipe you can prepare to yourself. Only what you could help me do is to peel the back of the unripe plantain, wash it, slice it and wash. Then put in the pot, add the quantities of water which the thing gonna contain, add oil, add onions, add maggi, add crayfish, add pepper, all the ingredients you feel like to add. But then again, it does not require much spices because what you are cooking is unripe. It looks native, guys, because people that eat unripe, they feel like it's olden people, but everybody can still eat unripe plantain. It depends how you garnish and prepare it, so that will enable you to eat it to your satisfaction. So what are we adding? We've added all other stuff like onions, pepper, maggi, salt, crayfish, oil. So we try adding little curry and thyme. So everything should be in normalization. So you shouldn't go further to add much ingredients. So what are we adding now is maggi. So add everything accordingly. So for your live plantain to be healthy, or come out with a lot of taste and sweet, as in tastes so good, guys, I managed going further to add fish because fish is also good for your body. So we're gonna put the fish there. So we cook this with fish. So guys, this is a list of what you can use to cook your unripe plantain. The last but not the least, if you didn't add it on your plantain, you know that you've not yet finished cooking, is your vegetable. You can use pumpkin. It depends the area you are residing. You can use, if you are in area that pumpkin is not existing. You can use spinach, epina. You can add spinach leaf. Guys, let me know how you see this our cooking. If you never try cooking unripe plantain before, after watching this video, please kindly try to cook it in this manner. It's not difficult. If you feel like you can't eat unripe just like that, you can mix it with ripe one for you to keep eating it, so that as in you'll be having that iron on your body. But then again, we are not making a health claims for the disclaimer. Go and check what unripe plantain does. Thanks for watching. Bye.